Hello everyone, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisceans out there. Welcome to my channel, Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. So here I'm going to do this for 4th of August 2020. Though twin flame soulmates and connections roles can be reversed. Follow me on my Instagram, SASHELLS running Essentials, okay? And people been asking me where we can donate or support to the channel, so it's being appreciated, and you can find the link in the home page of the channel to the extreme top position or in the description box below. There is my link. Alright, so what else? I do have Facebook page, Essential Speaks Messages. Till date, I need to do the editing. Thanks for all the love in any form. Alright, and though these are kind of like time is flowing, so it may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. Okay, so let's start now. Now for Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, my water elements. There is this first thing that I am seeing is the ship. Okay, you are going to be, the word I'm hearing is embark. EMBARK. You're going to embark on some sort of journey here. That's what I see and hear. They're saying that embark on the path or path, howsoever, and you got 0111. Embark on the path. There is something that you're going to decide. For some of you, this is emotional, and this is also for you as an individual water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of you might be dealing with the one, or just this is an emotional stage here that you're about to decide on. But there is something new that's going to be happening for many of you out there. Embarking means the decision is coming. Maybe this is decision on the relationship or something. Now, I took out one card from this deck while I was shuffling and into the meditation. And you got two spades though, but you got it, the star, which makes a lot of sense here regarding your decision here. But Two of Swords is also about, I feel like you are undecisive, or you were till date undecisive. There is something going on in your mind from last 2 to 6 months here, and now you're going to make way, okay? So this could be the way. The star ensures success in all enterprises when near, when very distant some unlucky events. So I'm not doing the layout though, but I feel like there is some assurance of success in whatever you are deciding to do. If it is the decision, if it is between the cross of something, you're going to be embarking on a new journey. For some of you, this is fame. For some of you, this is fated journey or fated meeting. So this could be the new love as well. Okay, so you're getting the bottom energy as Jack of Cups energy. I said so that you might be dealing with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces itself, like, or you, this is for you as an individual journey as well. So because there's a natal chart, there are sun, moon, rising, Venus signs, they may fall in any place. You're getting Jack of Cups energy, which is about Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but it is the book. I'm going to read the message, but what it is trying to say is that you're embarking on a new chapter. That's what I see, okay? The book presages the discovery of a mystery affecting the person for the better. For the better, remember that, in a degree governed by the distance. So I feel like there is going to be some message possible from a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces itself, or could be just someone who is getting so emotional towards you, or you are, because these can go reversals. Also, I do feel here embark. Definitely there is some embark. So it is something that you're going to get successful, whether it is about physical healing, whether it is about emotional healing, howsoever it is, you might be feeling at cross or confused about someone in particular, and you will no longer be. That's what I see. Yeah, second last card is Four of Swords energy. You are taking time, or you were taking time. Some of you were recuperating, some of you were just, your guards were up regarding this, and now you're going to be in a decisive mode. That's what I see. All right, I see, and you're getting the eye. Okay, so were you like making sure of the situation, or making sure of yourself regarding something? The eye when near denotes great interest taken by friends. When distant, it signifies suspicion. Are you suspicious about something or someone in particular? Or this is just about someone who is interested in you, and they will end up sending you the message, or you, okay? But let me tell you that there is something, embark. Oh, some of you, I've been shuffling this deck. I was not even aware that this is the card. You're getting a wedding card. Okay, interesting. So this situation involves marriage. So possible you are undecisive, or were undecisive about saying yes or no to the person. For some of you, yes, this is going to be the wedding that might happen, because there is some kind of attraction here, definitely. Okay, so we're going to shuffle this deck later on, but first, after this Two of Spades energy, that's the star, I do feel that is something that's the new book is opening, kind of like the fairy tale. Like, now I'm going to write the new storyline. So the new chapter shall begin for you guys. Okay, let's see. What's in you now? Remember, a second goes becomes your past. And I see kind of, you got already the cards. You got so many cards here. We're going to take it. So for some cases, this is you're clearing out something to Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. This could be connected with your family, decision on the family, children involved here, family reunions, okay? Children signify friendly disposition and gentleness. So you could be the mother, or you could be the father, you could be single mother, you could be single father, or just a parent here and living. But this is a decision. This is also something that is going to be the fated meeting. Possibly this fated meeting is with your children. Now you're getting these here, I think, 4 cards. One by one, 6 of Swords. And let me tell you honestly, when I was listening to the shuffle and all prior, these cards were flipping. Maybe that was not the time, because they said that later on, embark. 6 of Swords is about, though this is the mouse card, but 6 of Swords is about that you are now finally making a decision, and this is the positive movement. That's what I see, because when you see 6 of Swords, it's about the boat and you're moving ahead with your experience, okay? So that's what I see here. Now, let's see. The mouse denotes loss by theft, nearby. If it's nearby, okay? It denotes recovery after great difficulty. But distant, the loss will be irretrievable. Something that was irretrievable, or something that is like just a chemical reaction, and you cannot reverse back something. I feel like that's why this is giving you the timeline of like decided. I do feel that some of you, whatever you have done in this last 2 to 6 months, the decisions that you are in, may it be connected with something of a, if it is connected with children, custody, something connected with partnership in business, or as in partnership with a partner, this is about something that's cribbing you. But I also feel here, especially with this, that it is recovery. I feel like this is the recovery, okay? So you are going to get the recovery from something that you were at cross with. Something was cribbing, something was pokey, something was a nuisance, and it's going to be the result. So the third card is 6 of Wands energy, which in tarots, it's about the victory. Something that you're going to overcome here. It's also lightning, and lightning denotes surprise, disagreeable in accordance to distance, okay? Something that you are in distance and you're not agreeing on something with someone, and that's why you are hitting it like 6 of Wands energy. 6 is the harmony that you are seeking so desperately here. 6 is also some stability that you're going to get in life. So lightning, okay. So fine, they're telling me that there's going to be some sort of awakening that happened, and I picked up 6. So 2 to 6, so 6 months, could be 6 years, but this is 6, okay? So, okay, you're getting 2 times 6, could be 12. So any year that you are completing, possible. Any year, oh wow, interesting, an year you are completing. And also this is saying that, okay, coming 6 months will make you more profound and more strong, more strong in whatever you are in. You're going to be lightning, you're going to be, that's what I see now. 9, oh wow, interesting. So are you single, or are you at cross? You're about to make a decision. You're getting 9 of Pentacles, and this is the heart, and the heart signifies great joy when near. I feel like in coming 6 months for some of you, because these are timeless though, or maybe something is happening from last 6 months or a year here, and now this is going to be either you're going to get freedom from this pain, or and your valves will start pumping proper blood and everything will be all right. For some cases this is actually heart matter medication. So I do feel that you're going to be freeing yourself from some sort of pain, and I feel definitely it's going to be the surprise good news for many of you. So maybe it is connected with love matters, so you no longer will be single, especially when you're coming from 2 of Swords energy. You're going to be deciding something. Last card, oh wow. Okay, so you are no longer, or you will no longer be at cross, and you're going to make a decision. I feel like in coming 6 months, in coming 6 months, could be 12 months as well, because these are timeless. Remember that, because sometimes our timelines, they bring the concepts later on, especially with the Star card. That is a fated version, okay? With the Star, you might be dealing with an Aquarius as well, or you will end up dealing with an Aquarius. I also feel like you maybe something ended, something was at cross, something was at pause, and then a move on happened. Something was not right, but your heart is beating, or someone's heart is beating towards, and that's why you're getting the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th card as Queen of Wands energy. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius could be coming around. Maybe you'll pair up with this person, okay, in the coming time. This is also celebration, especially with the wedding card that we saw. Interesting, because Queen of Wands is wine, and wine is the symbol of cheerfulness and gaiety. It is also something connected with celebration, obviously gaiety, cheerfulness. It's also something connected with very, very beautiful occasion, something that you both are agreeing on, especially with the heart. I feel like someone will, or they'll come around in the coming 6 months. For most of you in the coming 6 months, okay? Expect it in 6 weeks as well. You know, depends. Again, I'm telling you. I have to give the messages. It's going to be the surprise. It's going to be surprising something. Okay? So, let's see. So here you go. You are, I think, wedding. Yeah. All right. Someone will get attracted to you. So for singles out there, your hearts will be beating, and it's going to be something of a dying wine. I'm having hiccups. I said in one of my readings, my hiccups are almost gone, but I feel like they're returning again cause someone is missing me. Sorry. So you got worth waiting for. I feel like if you are waiting, you should wait, because someone will come around. The new person may stir up the feelings and will make things full of sense. Okay, please ignore the sounds. The tractor is here. Reconciliation. You might end up reconciling in the coming 6 weeks, 6 months. Okay, you haven't heard from them from 12 months or 6 months or 6 weeks. Also, let me tell you that. So you were at cross of like not talking, but I feel like it's going to be destiny, and I feel like they are also getting single. Let me tell you that there's another storyline. There is something possible if they are at cross, because sometimes they, you know, tell us the story of the other person as well. If your person you were interested in, or you know, you had the breakup or separation for whatever reason, I feel if they are at cross, if they are in or were in relationship, they are going to get a breakup. They're going to break up, because that's what the mouse is telling me. And they're going to move. They'll have this enlightenment here. They're going to be free, and then they're going to try to win over your heart. And this could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Yep. So if you're waiting, just wait for time being. Enjoy your life, okay? And you might expect the reconciliation. Okay, the date will be important. 6 weeks, 6 months. Yep, I was about to say these are 5, so add one more. Okay, reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. I do feel that in coming 6 months, you're going to have a biggest transformation of your life as an individual, you too. Okay, obviously, and that's why you are going to attract passion. So allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. That's going to happen. What's in your now? What's in your now? Your now is here. Trust. Trust the process. This situation is calling for you to have faith. If there is someone you need to trust, to know the other side, why they're coming, what they are doing, because there is someone who's going to make up for something. Oh, I'll be back. Okay, I was talking about trust, because I feel like someone will come around to recover something. They are recovering from something, and they're going to have the enlightenment of awakening, and then they're going to make way towards you. So worth waiting for. Trust the process. This situation is calling for you to have faith. All right, so let's see in your future call of future vibe. I was expecting this. You are getting love yourself first. So your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive, and this goes for your transformation, transition, change. When you're going to do this here, you're going to be attracting the energy. Some of you are going to be single for some time, 14 recording time, but with the heart, definitely there's going to be the changes that's going to be happening in your life. Or I feel this is the mending, or some change or evolution, awakening, something happening in this person's life. Okay, if you're expecting them to come, what's beyond? Nah, they want me to take Rider-Waite here. Wow. I mean, I shuffled this deck, I think day before yesterday or some day, and then I kept it. I wasn't aware about this. So 2 of Swords is a repeat telecast from your first card of the star. Okay. Expect that you're going to win. So embark on a new journey. Definitely you're going to end something. No more drag, no more emotional drama here. And this is going to be the new journey. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or this is something that you expected from someone, but they kind of like said, I can't. Okay. Some of you are coming out of your entanglements here. Four of Pentacles energy, like you were feeling like, I can do it kind of energy, but you will be, and you are doing it. That's where you were at cross, but you're letting loose. No more linger on kind of energy. Okay, so that's where you're coming from. You're going to be in this transition, I'm telling you that. Okay. What's in your now? Please guess what's in your now. Whoa. Ace of Wands energy, taking some action here. Ace of Wands. This Ace of Wands is my karma card. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy as well, but this is something that you're going to get hold of your life. I feel like getting hold of your life on the particular issue or stability of your life or decision or some relationship matter here. This is about someone who is getting attracted to you, but you are drawing the line here because of the complexities or dominating ambience here for some of you. But Ace of Wands is about you're going to be taking your decisions, definitely, and that's where you are heading here. Something new growth I see. I also see erect, something erect, which makes sense. Erect in your life, decisions erect. If something connected with your heart matters, getting erect, emotional stability erect. I also feel like something connected with back, getting erect, means things are making sense, and that's why Four of Cups is you're going to be emotionally stabilizing yourself and physically healing and all that stuff that goes with that. For some cases, this may be the marriage call or the concept of stability connected with emotions here. Definitely relationships. That's where you are getting, someone is single but may get proposed to. This could be a proposal here coming around the corner. Not a cup, but it is something who is saying that I'm interested in you. So expect some action from someone. This is physical attraction towards the person as well. You are or they are. Wow. Expect Page of Cups. Expect the cup here. Expect some messages, I said so, from the person. Could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in particular. Or maybe something, especially this happening with you guys. Communication. Okay? Interesting. There's this independent heart. Are you single or both of you are single? I don't know. If you both are, it's going to be the time in coming 6 months, 6 weeks, 12 months. I'm telling you, things will be changing at the emotional level, like at the emotional front. How we say? Okay, whatever. Heart matters. So howsoever it is, it's going to be the move. Okay. I also see like 2 stars will meet, which is about 2 celebs, 2 famous people, and fame could be specialization in your areas, but 2 people will cross each other's path in the coming this time frame that I may end up repeating. 12 months, 12 weeks, 6 weeks, 6 months. Okay, I have to say that. And 6 might be the 6 might be the best date. I don't know. Okay, so this is going to be something that might happen. It's about the attraction. It's about Page of Cups. You may expect it now. You may expect it in, like, just because this is for 4th, you may expect it on 6th. Okay, 6th August. Change of scenario. Expect the message from a Piscean or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Whoa. You're getting this card like this. Something is being at a halt here. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like someone will get too emotional. Someone will get if this is your energy, you'll end up sending the message. Okay, someone who is constraining things and not replying or something like that. But that's what is King of Cups energy, who is getting impatient and emotional here. And they might have acted like unemotional. If this is you, you might transitioning into this phase. Or something doesn't affect you or affected you. Okay, but it will. What's beyond? What's beyond? 7 of Swords energy. Okay. One more card. Magician. Okay, this is about do not manifest the lies. Okay, if this is you, do not. Or this is someone who is trying to manipulate, don't get, because they still need to clear out the air. And if this is in the midst of two, there is no hurry to make a decision here. Okay, that you need to really take care of, because if relationship is on the basis of lies, there is no point. Okay, so remember that if they're doing it, you need to get along. I mean, move out, especially if this is connected with mouse energy and all that stuff. So okay, if they're turning up again and you know this person, but this could be totally new. I'm telling you, this could be totally new, a sense of love or some message here. So this could be from Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Howsoever the signs are, I feel like by the time this year end, if you're single, you will no longer be. Cancer, Scorpions, and Pisces. There is this authentic person. Okay. I said so. 2 stars will meet. Take care. I love you. See you soon.